Assalamu alaikum everyone, and please always press the bell button whenever you're subscribing. And if you didn't press the bell button after subscribing, make sure you do that, because I want to have a whole family and I'm doing these updates for you, so I want to make sure these updates are going to you and you get notifications if you want notifications, of course. So we continue on with JASMY. So today, instead of talking about JASMY, let me just show you Bitcoin, because that's what we're going to mirror at the moment. So Bitcoin, talking about it yesterday, I mentioned about a move down to, breaking out of this pennant right there, and when you break out of the pennant, then you're looking to continue even lower. Now I know on the smaller time frames there's a little bit of greens and reds going on, but it doesn't really matter at the moment, because I do expect this thing to continue even way more lower. So on the Bitcoin side of it, today you could actually get a green candle, because this is 3 black rows right there. So one green candle can be formed for today, and then from there, from tomorrow, you continue to move to 14,000, and you continue to move to 12,000, and eventually drop all the way down to $8,500 for Bitcoin. So what does that tell you in terms of JASMY? Okay, so JASMY is a catalyst here, and it could actually follow Bitcoin. Now you do have a little bit of an inverted hammer today, so that's an inverted hammer. I would expect a small push up and then like this today, and then from tomorrow in the next coming days continue to the lower. Now I'm looking at the daily time frame. We're still days away, or maybe a couple of weeks away, to drop down to that green box. Can you bottom out? It will be interesting to see what the price of Bitcoin is going to become whenever JASMY makes it down to this box right here. If Bitcoin is priced at $6,000 or $6,800 when JASMY comes down here, I think that could be the bottom for JASMY, because I would expect Bitcoin to bottom out between $6,000 and $8,000 and then go back up full-fledged back to its all-time high, hopefully. And then we could even have a chance with JASMY, by the way, to go up. For people who saying, do you think JASMY does have a chance or stand a chance? I don't know. I cannot be very sure about anything, but if Bitcoin bottoms out, JASMY mirrors Bitcoin as well. So boom, Bitcoin goes up, we break out, we go to the all-time high. Great investing opportunities. What if we go back up from the all-time high here? That's a lot of money. That's a lot of money. So that's pretty much it for this update on JASMY right now. I'm gonna see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.